Gagawa tayo ng low-carb condensed milk. Una, maglagay ng 3 tablespoons butter. Kapag natunaw na ang lahat ng butter, maglagay ng 250 ml all-purpose cream or heavy cream. Mix well until 2 ingredients are well incorporated. Ngayon, maglagay ng 1/2 cup Cheddar's Green Dahan Pure Allulose. Haluin ng maigi hanggang sa tuluyang matunaw ang sweetener. At ngayon, maglagay na ng vanilla flavor. Mix well. Continue mixing and cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes. We need to achieve smooth and thick but runny consistency. Then let it cool. Now transfer to your desired container. You may store low-carb condensed milk in the chiller. Pwede nyo ito ilagay o ihalo sa inyong low-carb coffee or chocolate drink.